This year, DJI will release a brand new product. You heard it first on DroningON. If you want to know more, click subscribe and keep watching. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and you have heard it here first. Now, this product won't arrive via a big, snazzy, glossy launch event. It will be launched quite quietly, which I'm surprised at considering what it is. There's always loads of speculation about the Phantom 5, maybe the Spark 2 or the Osmo Mobile 3, or could it be something completely new? Whatever it might be, it doesn't even have a box or instruction manual yet, so we're keeping tight-lipped for now. Comment below and let us know what you'd love to see at this launch. Give the video a thumbs up, and to find out more and be the first to see it, click subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.